In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your blower motor on your Ford Expedition. It's located underneath the passenger side dash. Blower motor is in here, so we're going to take out our mats and we're going to pull back our rug. We're going to reach in here and just pull back. Just beyond the carpet, up in the corner here, is where the blower motor is going to be. To remove the connector, you're going to push in on this tab. Yours might be on the other side, depending if this is an original blower motor or an aftermarket one. I believe this one's aftermarket. Push in that tab, pull it out. And now we're going to remove this cover from the blower motor itself. You got to remove this in order to turn the blower motor. To do that, you're going to pull down on this as you separate these two pieces. They're like little hooks holding it on. So separate, push these out and pull down at the same time. May need a screwdriver. It may be a little stuck, so just be patient. Once you remove it, you can twist your blower motor clockwise and then drop it out. Now you're going to tip your motor with the white part going towards the outside of the vehicle. If it's getting hung up like ours is, you're going to have to push in on this foam to get that out. So I'm going to get a pry bar to do that. I'm going to push in on that, and I'm going to turn my blower motor out. That lip is getting caught right there. Just don't break it. So again, keep working at it. You might have to keep repositioning things. It should pop out eventually. It's pretty tight of a squeeze. And there we go. Before you install, make sure you remove your cap here. So push these in, pull this out if it doesn't want to come out, and take it off. May have to do a little bit of both. So here we are, we're going to put our blower motor back in. So just slide it in. Same way you took it out, with the white part facing the out, like going towards the outside of the vehicle. Get your wire out of there. And you're going to push it in. You may have to move that foam again. And also turn it so it's going to be easier to install. You need your pry bar to push in that foam. Do that. I'm going to do that. So right about here is where we start getting stuck in that foam. So use your pry bar and push it in. Get it past that. It's probably the hardest part of the job. Now that you got it past, you're going to find where it fits in. There's little notches that it fits into, and Once you feel like it's in, you're going to turn it the other way to lock it in like that. You have to remember that your connector is over here. So if your connector is not over here, it's not in the right place. So let's plug that in. And now we're going to put our cap on over here. So we're going to slide this in. Another thing you can check before installing this is just reach up there and make sure you can feel that it's all lined up correctly before putting the cap on. Ours is good, so now I'm going to put the cap on. Slide it into that slot. There's like a little slot right there, and there's also a hole that this goes into. So it'll help you stay in the right, it's going to guide you in correctly. You want to see, feel, or hear those clip in. That feels good. There we go. Now we're going to put our cap back. Tuck it under the trim, and you can put your floor mats back. Now you want to get back in your vehicle, turn the key on, and make sure your blower motor blows.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.